Now C and D formulas. Number 1, which we are going to prove, that is sin C plus sin D is equal to twice of C plus D upon 2 times cos C minus D upon 2. Now we have already proved A and B formulas. Now we know sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. This is equal to twice of sin A cos B. Okay. Now let A plus B is equal to C. Let this be number 1, this be number 2, and A minus B is equal to D, number 3. Now adding second and third, what we are having, twice of A is equal to C plus D and A is equal to C plus D upon 2. Subtracting three from 2, twice of B is C minus D and B is equal to C minus D upon 2. Okay. So now fourth and fifth. Now substituting second and third in left hand side of 1 and fourth and fifth in right hand side of 1. Now what we are getting? We are getting, in place of A plus B, we are going to put what? C. Okay. So we are having sin C plus sin D. A plus B is C and A minus B is D. So sin C plus sin D is equal to twice of sin. Now from fourth part, A is what? C plus D upon 2. C plus D upon 2 and B is cos C minus D upon 2. Proved.